Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and powering devices. First, connect the LED module to the microcontroller, data pin to digital out, ground to ground, and VCC to the correct 5V or regulated supply. Once powered, plug the microcontroller into your PC to upload firmware. Meanwhile, install the companion phone app or a BLE controller app so you can pair later. Make sure the app supports your LED type and the microcontroller's connectivity method. Now you'll load the controlling code and establish a link. Upload a simple test sketch that initializes the LED strip and opens a BLE or Wi-Fi server. This verifies wiring and power. Once uploaded, restart the controller and make it discoverable. On your phone, enable Bluetooth or join the same Wi-Fi network, then use the app's scan function to find the device. Select it to pair or connect to the IP address. Once connected, test color and brightness controls to confirm communication. Finish by configuring stable operation and saving settings. You should set the correct LED count, gamma, and PWM limits in the app or firmware, then save presets for quick use. Also mount the components safely and consider a level shifter if your microcontroller's signal voltage differs from the LED's requirement. If the LEDs don't respond, try one key troubleshooting step. Verify common ground and sufficient power. Many failures come from missing ground or underpowered supplies, so measure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.